In the center of the Liuyang River, embraced by nature, this place contains a unique glamour and power. The Goalong Liquor Distillery is situated in this fertile land. Every drop of Goalong whiskey is a perfect combination of nature's gift and ingenuity. Goalong Liquor was founded in 2011. Goalong signifies the spirit of courage and continuous progress, which is also the entrepreneurial soul of Goalong Liquor. During 2017 to 2021, after 4 years careful construction, the Goalong Distillery was officially put into production, which wrote a new chapter in the history of Chinese whiskey. The Goalong Group is not only committed to the production and sale of international spirits, but also continues to develop and produce other alcoholic beverages. With outstanding quality and research and development capability, Goalong whiskey is highly praised both in domestic market and globally. Each bottle of Goalong whiskey is filled with Goalong people's persistent pursuit of whiskey-making techniques and culture, which makes it stand out from other whiskies. A gift from nature gives Goalong Liquor a soul. With 99% forest in Dawei Mountain, the whiskey is blessed with a unique natural environment. The rain and mist in all seasons saturates the shale rock that was formed billions of years ago, bringing the whiskey a refreshingly sweet, natural aftertaste. Goalong Liquor, with its worldwide presence, conveys the glamour and confidence of Chinese whiskey, which represents the rise of Chinese whiskey and highlights the wisdom and talent of Chinese craftsmen. Let's explore the marvelous atmosphere of whiskey together, and taste the unique flavor that belongs to China.